the iPhone 16 Pro series is gearing up to bring some significant upgrades. Anticipated improvements encompass larger screens for both the Pro and Pro Max models, with the Pro expected to boast a 6.3-inch display and the Pro Max a 6.9-inch one. Camera technology is likely to undergo major enhancements, featuring a 48-megapixel main sensor with advanced capabilities and a tetraprism zoom lens for superior optical zoom. The Pro Max model may even introduce a super telephoto periscope camera for unparalleled zoom capabilities. Under the hood, these models are set to be powered by the A18 Pro chip, based on a 3-nanometer process, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. To tackle overheating concerns, rumors suggest a new graphene thermal system and a metal battery casing for improved heat management. Connectivity-wise, there's potential for the use of a Qualcomm Snapdragon X75 modem, ensuring superior 5G performance. In terms of design, there's talk of a vertical camera layout and the addition of a new capture button. Following its tradition, Apple is expected to unveil its flagship iPhones in September, with the iPhone 16 Pro series likely to follow suit in 2024.